This is how you're going to use the tape feature in Noteful and all the different ways that you can use it. Next up is the tape tool. And the tape tool doesn't have as many features as other apps do, but it is still a really good tool to use. So whenever you open the tape tool, you have 3 different options here. You have the line, and that means it draws in a line, and it's going to be straight. So you can't like make it squiggly at all. So it's going to draw your tape in a line. You have this box, so that means you can draw tape in like a rectangle, in the whatever kind of rectangle you want, whether that's big or small. And then you have the squiggly line, and that is where you can draw squiggly tapes in whatever kind of style that you want. Now with the tape, there's not a way that I currently see that you can import your own tape. They only have these couple options here. And these are the patterns that you can use. Now, one option that they do have is to cover all or reveal all. So this is like if you wanted to use it for your Noteful for studying and you wanted to kind of like make your own flashcards, you can cover things up and then reveal them all. So if I wanted to reveal all the tape, I can see where the tape was, but it removed it all. Or I can cover all and it's going to come back. So that's how you use the tape option in Noteful.